December 2024 was a month of record-breaking events in the space category. Let's start with the sun. If it isn't cloudy, there is approximately 1 more minute of daylight as each day passes. If anyone is counting, and I am, there are over 60 days left until spring. This image from NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory shows the sun as it appeared on January 8, 2025. The Solar Dynamics spacecraft observes the sun from Earth's orbit, about 150 million kilometers or 93 million miles from the sun on average. But another NASA mission just got a whole lot closer. The Parker Solar Probe made history in late December when it flew just 6.1 million kilometers or 3.8 million miles above the surface of the sun. Unlike Icarus, the Parker Solar Probe made it through the pass safely. Close passes like this allow the Parker Solar Probe to study the sun like no other spacecraft can, and important discoveries have already been made. On this chart you will see the discovery of switchbacks in the solar wind in 2019, and then the discovery of the switchback origin in 2021. Here is a still from the video made in 2021 from the Parker Solar Probe, which shows streamers from the sun and the Milky Way in the background. A space view unlike any seen before. I highly recommend looking it up on YouTube. This recent pass also broke another record. At its fastest, the Parker Solar Probe traveled at a staggering 692,000 kilometers per hour. That's 430,000 miles per hour, or about 192 kilometers per second. Another record breaker involves Chinese Taikonauts. Commander Xuzhe and Lingdong spent over 9 hours on the outside of the Tiangong space station on December 16, 2024, beating the 2001 record of 8 hours and 56 minutes set by NASA astronauts James Voss and Susan Helms. The Taikonauts carried out various tasks, one of which was installing space debris protection devices. The year 2024 was also a banner year for space launches, with a total of 258 successful orbital launches. If you want to nerd out over all the types of launches, failures, and subcategories, there is a 104-page document online entitled Space Activities in 2024 by Jonathan McDowell. Here is one of his charts. And although that chart is really cool, here is another really cool way to look at a record number of launches. A little less pleasing for those of us who like to stargaze is the chart of satellite deployments for 2024. 2,852. But that is down from 2,900 in 2023. So since it is still January, I think I can toss out a small New Year's resolution for our viewers. How about breaking your own record of observing the night sky or the sun, or both, for 2025? Of course, this means one would have to keep track